Juxtaposition of incongruity is kind of surrealistic. What I mean is it's too big, pretentious, jargonic term. Those jargonic terms pretentious. Juxtaposition of incongruity. Basically, you place two objects or two images or two concepts that are mutually exclusive and share no commonality whatsoever, side by side. There's a polarity, there's a dichotomy. Right? Each object or each image has its own distinctive characteristics. But there's a polarity, because juxtaposition is when you place side by side. Incongruity is incompatibility, when two things don't mesh together. It's like ice cream and a cigarette lighter. So you see, that's not a polarity, and that's not a duality. That's a contrast. Contrast is based on stark differences. Polarity is when they go polar opposite ends of the stick, end of the